Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make the perfect milanesas de pollo. So if you're ready, let's get started. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin prepping. Okay, we're going to begin by making our marinade. To a bowl, add the 3 eggs, 1/4 of a cup of milk, along with all of our spices. And we're just going to begin to whisk it all together until everything is well combined. Okay, so once we have that, we can set it to the side so we can prepare our chicken. Okay, so here I have 2 pounds of chicken breast that I sliced in half. We're just going to be tenderizing it. So I got my plastic wrap. Begin to beat it to flatten it out. Okay, just like that. You want it to be nice and thin. And once we have it, we can transfer it to the marinade. And we repeat the process with the rest of our pieces of chicken. Okay, now that we have our chicken in the bowl with the marinade, we're just going to make sure that all of the pieces are covered. And once that's done, we're just going to cover it with plastic wrap and allow it to marinate for at least 20 minutes. Okay, so after 20 minutes, we can now get ready to prepare our breading. And that's just by mixing the Parmesan cheese, plain panko, and plain breadcrumbs. Just going to mix it all together. Okay, and once that's done, now we're going to get our pieces of chicken. Make sure to take the excess of the marinade and then transfer it to the breading and press it down so like that the marinade can stick to the chicken. Shake the excess, and just like that we have our milanesa ready, and we just repeat the same process with the rest of our chicken. Okay, so once we have our milanesas all nice and coated, now we can get ready to take it to the stove. Okay, so here I already have my oil nice and hot over medium heat. Just going to place my milanesas and fry them for 2 minutes per side. And of course, if you don't want to deep fry them, you can also air fry them. I will leave all of the instructions in the description box. Okay, after 2 minutes, flip it over to the other side. And allow that side to fry for another 2 minutes. Okay, and after 2 minutes, our milanesas should be fully cooked. Of course, make sure that you check them. Now we're just going to remove them from the oil and drain as much oil as possible. And we just repeat the process with the rest of our milanesas. Okay, once we have our milanesas, now we can get ready to serve. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. It's seriously super easy to make. The chicken is nice and juicy in the inside and very crispy on the outside. So hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. So flavorful, just perfect. The best. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how to make super easy and delicious milanesas de pollo. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you like this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.